Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 5. Infrastructure development is the very backbone of any strategy aimed at achieving higher growth and large scale employment generation. However, an unfortunate impression gained ground after the first phase of liberalization that the government will have less and less to do with infrastructure development. As a result, a slowdown has taken place in investments in this vital area of the economy. My government will substantially increase investments in infrastructure development. Simultaneously, private sector investments will receive far greater policy and implementation support. The Minister for Power has just recently announced wide ranging initiatives on the power front. My government will take firm decisions and also support firm decisions of state governments to bring financial viability to the power sector. The state electricity boards are bankrupt and need restructural. The drain on internally raised resources has to stop. In this regard, the country should take note of the bold but painful steps the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister has taken to guard and raise the viability of power generation and distribution in his state. We also support, in this regard, the initiatives of the Odisha government. Delays in implementation have been the bane of infrastructure projects in India. They have led to not only cost and time overruns but also loss of opportunities in downstream income and employment generation. This neglect and waste will be positively addressed. Towards this end, the Prime Minister's office will directly monitor all projects capitalized at more than rupees 100 crore each in the areas of power, roads, bridges and dams, irrigation, telecommunication, oil and energy, railways, ports and airports. My office will seek a monthly progress report on all such projects and ensure that they are completed and commissioned on due dates. Agriculture is the very heart of our economy and culture. Farm production has to reach a growth rate of at least 5%. Otherwise, our goals of overall economic growth and employment generation, as also our promise to build a hunger free India by the year 2010 will remain unfulfilled. food security on a long-term basis is our urgent and immediate concern. Government plans to earmark substantial plan funds for public investment in agriculture, rural development, irrigation, horticulture, afforestation, wasteland development, and related rural infrastructure. We will also pay special attention to the modernization of the agro processing industries. It has immense potential for employment generation in the country now. Thank you.